Do you want to learn how to create a continuous animation in PowerPoint? Well, in this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly that. Hello and welcome back to my channel, the place for discerning content creators and entrepreneurs looking to uplift their brand online. If you're new here, you're welcome. Please subscribe. And if you're returning, it's so good to see you again. And remember that all the links mentioned in this video are in the description section. So let's get to it. So you want to learn how to create a continuous slideshow or animation in PowerPoint. Well, in this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly that. You might want to use this for an event or a presentation or a webinar where you have a slideshow that you want to loop and loop until such a time when you're ready to stop it. So if it's something you're interested in learning, then keep watching.
For this tutorial, I have downloaded a slide pack from canva.com. I just want to call out that it is not my slide pack, and I'll put the link down below in the description section. I'm going to teach you two things today. The first one is how you can program your slides to move from one slide to another without you having to click anything, and how you can program your slides to loop continuously. So as they're moving from one slide to another, at the end of your slide pack, you want it to start all over again. First of all, select all your slides. So you select the first slide, pressing the Shift key and click in the last slide. Next, we need to select a transition, and I'll just go to transition and just select on wipe. Something simple and straightforward. Once you've selected your transition, then just move to the right hand side here. By the way, I'm using PowerPoint 2019, so it's the PowerPoint within the Microsoft Office 2019, just in case you are wondering. So just move on to the right hand side of the screen, top right hand side, and here you need to deselect this on mouse click. At the moment, the movement or the transition of each slide is controlled by a mouse click. However, we don't want that. We want it to be able to move, automatically without us having to do anything. So you need to deselect that and select on after. Let's just say 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, we want to move to the next slide. So let's just see how that looks at the moment. So let's go to Slideshow. And it should move after 10 seconds. There we have it. It's moving, which is great. Yep, so it is working. The slides are moving by themselves. If we test this last slide, you understand what I mean by looping. After 10 seconds, this last slide will just end. You see? However, we don't want that. We want it to loop back to the beginning. So what we need to do then is to, again, select all the slides, go to Slideshow, go to Set Up Slideshow, and here is where the magic happens. So on the show options, you see this checkbox that says loop continuously until escape. You need to check it. So you need to check that. So basically, this programs your slides to loop continuously until you press escape. So it's as simple as that. So let's just test it out now. You just test that out. Okay. And it starts again from the beginning, so that's perfect. That's exactly what we want. The key thing is to make sure that, number one, your slides move from one slide to another without you having to do anything. You then need to go to set up slideshow and then check that box. that says loop continuously until you press escape. So yeah, let me know what you think of this tutorial, if you've tried this before, how you found it, if you're gonna use it, and yeah, put any questions you have in the comment section below.
If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up, and remember to subscribe if you haven't already. Click on the notification icon so that you can be notified when I post another video. And before you go, why not check out the videos on the screen, and I will see you in the next video.